Hey, today we're going to be unboxing a cross-stitch conversion, no, a cross-stitch conversion diamond painting of a cross-stitch conversion kit from Jaded Gem Shop. I got this a while ago, so I don't know what has changed or if anything has changed. But this is going to be an unboxing of Luna Moth. It measures 30 by 30 centimeters, so it's just a little baby, and you can find this again at Jaded Gem Shop. I'll put the links in the description box below. If you're new here and you like diamond painting, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos whenever I feel like it, so make sure you hit that notification bell as well. So this is just a small cross-stitch conversion. I have ordered a couple diamond painting conversions in the past, one specifically from Jaded Gem Shop. I'll put the link in the description box below to that video. But I decided, okay, let's go with a small one. Let's see what this is all about, because the large one, I'm like, I don't know when I'm going to get to it. And it's scary. It scares me. So I am an avid cross stitcher, as you can see, currently working on this cross stitch. It says boys whatever, and then down here it'll say cats forever, and it's super cute. And so I was like, why don't I start a cross stitch conversion if I haven't been diamond painting that much. So this on my desk in the background here is a Bosch diamond painting, an old masters from Jaded Gem Shop, and it's taking me forever to finish, so because I've just been cross stitching. So with this kit comes release paper. I couldn't remember what it was called because that's how long it's been since I've diamond painted. It's only been like a month and a half, but it comes with a release paper. I believe there's probably about 5 pieces, and it's the nice double-sided paper, so you don't have to worry about putting down the wrong size. And then you also have your drills. So this is a square drill, and I believe with most, like 99% of cross-stitch conversions, you'll want to get it done in squares, and I'll tell you why after. But then here is the symbol chart. So this is the schematic. So this would be the symbol, this would be the DMC color, and this would be the quantity of the drills for this color. So let's take a look at the canvas. So you'll be like, if you've never done a cross-stitch conversion before, you'll be like, where's the picture? Where's the picture? So what you get is basically a gridded canvas, and you can see, like, Jade, I think she invented this numbered grid, which is super helpful. I wish that like fabric for cross stitch would actually come like this. That would be super cool too. But it's a numbered grid because what you'll be doing is working off a pattern, like a gridded pattern or graph pattern of the image. And so you would look at the graph, and then you would look at the canvas and figure out where everything goes. So really, as you're placing drills down, you're going to be counting, okay, I need 3 of symbol 1 here, so you'll put down 3 drills, 1 2 3, and then you'll figure out as you go along. So you really, like with cross stitch conversions, if one of your favorite parts of diamond painting, like mine, is watching the image come to life, you are definitely going to be watching the image come to life, because literally there's nothing else on this canvas. And so with Jaded Gem Shop canvases, you would have information about the canvas here, but it just says 30 by 30, scalloped edges, and then her logo. And then here's where you can find them on all social media platforms. And then at the bottom, you'll notice there's no grid or anything like that. So really, you'll be working off of this and off the cross stitch pattern itself. So you get these drills. I'll just pull some of them out, or just like this, because I'm not going to try and put them back in the packaging. So you can see the colors that will be included with this cross stitch. There's a couple ways you can go about a cross stitch conversion. You can print out the PDF of the pattern, and if you buy one of the pre-made cross stitch conversions kits from Jaded Gem Shop, it comes with the pattern. So you can print out that pattern, or you can use a tablet, like my dirty iPad. So like, here's my dirty iPad. You can use your tablet, and there are certain programs that will let you read the pattern and mark it off as you go along. And then all you have to do is have the pattern in front of you, and then you would just be placing drills according to that pattern. This might be my next whip, or probably like, if not my next one, maybe the one after, because I have like, I think I have like 3 cross stitch conversions now and I haven't done any of them. So if you've ever wanted to do a cross stitch conversion, I would say check out Jaded Gem Shop, because she has a number of mini cross stitch kits available. And so this is one of the pre-made kits you can get. She sends you the PDF file of the pattern, and she sends you the drills, the release paper, the schematic, and the canvas. I don't know if I already said that. And so you have everything you need to get going. And then it's just a matter of either printing out the canvas, like I said, or putting it on a tablet and marking it up as you go. And if you don't like any of the kits that the cross stitch conversions that she offers, you can actually find a cross stitch pattern on Etsy. I have a lot of cross stitch patterns from Etsy or other websites, and then you would just send her the pattern or the sheet that says like, this is how many stitches for each color or whatever, and she can put the kit together for you, and she'll even like figure out what size canvas you need, how many drills, etc. And it's just so easy. So I highly recommend, if you want to do a cross stitch conversion, check out Jaded Gem Shop. And I really love that the canvas has numbers on it. Like, that's just so helpful. And like I said before, I wish that cross stitch fabric had gridded numbers, but I do realize that would be difficult to print on fabric this small. Anyways, guys, so that is just a quick overview of my cross stitch conversion from Jaded Gem Shop. Check them out. Link in the description box below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!